This is part 2 of the tutorial on the vintage Dior Mohawk hat. What I'm doing now is I'm starting with a magic circle and putting that on my hook. I'm using a 5.5 millimeter crochet hook. If you are making this hat along with me, you can find some tutorials on my YouTube channel which will show you how to crochet in the round. You are going to need to know how to crochet in the round in order to make a hat. You'll also need to know how to increase, okay? So I just did that slip knot. I'm now going to chain up 3. 1, 2, 3. And now I'm going to go back into this first circle here that you see with a double crochet. We're going to do 13 of those. So go right back into that beginning circle there with all your double crochets. You're going to put them all in that same space there until you have 13. The size of this hat will be for a baby. I think we're going to do maybe 3 to 6 months for the size. So you're going to put 13 double crochet in here. If you don't know how to do double crochets, I'm going to show you now. You're going to wrap your yarn around your hook, go into the space here, grab the yarn, pull up through the space. You now have 3 loops on your hook. Wrap your yarn here, grab it with your hook, pull through 2 loops and stop. Grab your yarn again and pull through 2 and stop. That completes your double crochet. Okay, so we're going to stop when we have 13 of these. Okay, I've made my 13 double crochet. I'm now going to close up this round by slip stitching into the top of this double crochet here, and that closes that round. So now what we're going to do is chain up 3. You're going to create 3 more rows of increases. Now, if you're a beginner, you're not sure how to do that, there is a video on my YouTube channel which will show you how to increase in the round. I'm going to start off here. But basically what you do to increase is place 2 stitches into 1. Okay, so I'm going to do that all the way around. But when you get to the next rows, you're going to alternate doing that. And I'm going to place some written directions here on the video, but you can also go watch a tutorial to learn how to do this. If you already know how to make hats, we're now creating the top of the hat or the crown, okay? So I'm going to meet you back here once that crown is done, and we are working our way down the body of the hat.